Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be painting this concept sketch. You'll see the full process as well as tips on how to improve your painting. My name is Victor, I'm a concept artist working in video games, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it helpful and want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Okay, let's get started. I usually start by putting down the color for the sky, and then I establish the horizon line. For this scene, I wanted to have some water, maybe on a shore, and the focal point could be a structure, like this lighthouse for example. In terms of composition, I accentuated my focal point with some color contrast and some leading lines. I also was trying to have a nice balance of shape sizes, big, medium and small ones. Once the sketch is done, you can go ahead and put the local colors first. You'll notice that I also changed the color scheme later on, since these weren't quite working for me. I also was planning a bit how the sky might look, and the reason I arranged it like that is to accentuate the focal point a bit better. By the way, don't forget to check other videos on the channel, there are plenty ideas and tips for you to improve your painting. There are lots of ways you can help guide the viewer's eyes towards your focal point. In this case, the strongest one is the high color contrast on the lighthouse. I'm adjusting the color scheme a bit, changing some values and preparing for the next step. At this point, I have a good idea how the final image should look. I start by defining form with light and shadow, also adding some materials definition and textures. Here I decided it might be cool to have some vegetation on top of that rock, but then I didn't want to have only one spot like this, so I was looking maybe somewhere in the background I could indicate that there is a similar rock formation with green on top. Alright, so now I can spend some time and define the lighthouse. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks again for joining in, and I hope to see you in the next video, coming soon.